My name is Teresa Shea from Fly for Your Fab, and I am a press-on nail girly. Now, I graduated from getting my press-on nails at the store to making my own press-on nails at home, and today I'm going to show you how I made this press-on nail set. Okay, so to make these press-on nails, I'm using my favorite nails by Novel Ovo. I love their extra thick nails. Every single time that I've used these, they stay on for like 2 to 3 weeks with no extra prep work. Today, I'm using them in the medium length coffin shape, but they come in all different like lengths and styles and shapes. You can grab them on Amazon and they're super affordable. I'll have them linked below in the description box along with everything else that I'm using in this tutorial, and pretty much you can get all of it on Amazon. So I already know my sizes, so I'm placing them on my nail stands. And then to prep the nails, I'm just wiping them down with rubbing alcohol on a lint-free nail wipe to get rid of any dust, debris, or anything like that. Next, I'm using this base gel by Beetles, and this is important because the nails are plain, like there's nothing on them yet, right? So to set them up for success and make sure like the gel polish lasts and all of that, we need to go in with some base gel first. So that's why I'm doing this, and then I cured it under my nail lamp for about like 90 to 99 seconds, something like that. Then on the nails that are going on my ring fingers, I'm using this beautiful pastel yellow shade from D&D Gel. It's called You Shine, I Shine, and it is so pretty and it's nice and opaque. I did 2 coats of this polish. So basically, after I applied this first coat that I'm doing here, I placed it under my nail lamp to cure, and then I did a second coat, and this color is just so pretty. Like, I'm going to be wearing this a lot in the spring and summer. Like, it's a really, really pretty shade, and butter yellow is trending, y'all, so this is a good little color to get your hands on. So after this cured, I decided to do like some simple nail art on these nails, and this is something that's great, that's beginner friendly, which is these rhinestone flowers. Basically, I'm using this rhinestone glue and about 6 rhinestones. You place one in the center, and then you place the other 5 around that one rhinestone in the center to make a flower shape. So if you're looking for some quick and easy like nail art that you can do yourself at home, maybe you're a beginner, you're looking for something that looks like you put out more effort than you actually did, this is a good little rhinestone pattern to try. Now y'all, I ain't even gonna hold you. This is like my new all-time favorite cat eye gel. I found this brand on TikTok, but they're also on Amazon, and I'm using their gold cat eye glitter gel polish. So basically what I did was apply 1 coat, cured it under my nail lamp, then went in and did a second coat, and then next I'm going to pick up their 5-in-1 magnet tool, and I'm going to use the flower tool magnet at the very center of it, and I'm going to hold that over my cat eye gel just for like a few seconds, not too long, and it's going to make this really pretty flower pattern. I decided, because these nails are like a decent length, to do like the flower at the tip of the nail and then also at like the base of the nail, and this is super easy to do. I feel like this is like the best cat eye gel polish that I've tried. Like, I really saw the cat eye effect. So I'll definitely be getting more of this. Again, you can grab it on TikTok or on Amazon, and look how pretty that came out. So just to recap here, I did 1 coat, cured it, second coat, magnet, then cured that, and it was really easy to do like you guys saw. So now I'm moving on to my middle fingernails. I'm using this pretty pink polish by D&D Gel called Sugared Rose. This is from their Diva collection. I did a coat of the polish and then I cured that this way I could go back in with a second coat. And I was trying to decide what I wanted to do with this nail. So I got these really pretty gold and silver butterfly charms on Amazon, right? And I'm gonna use the gold ones today. So basically, I'm going to grab some of that rhinestone glue, and I know somebody's going to say I'm using a lot, but girl, these butterfly charms are big, and I was a little scared like they might fall off like later on if I did not use enough rhinestone glue. So that's why I use so much. I picked up the butterfly charms and I placed them right in the center of the nail, and then I cured it for 60 seconds under my nail lamp. Then I grabbed like a bunch of my different color rhinestones and pearls. I got this set on Amazon, so like all the colorful ones, they came in one set for like about $10 on Amazon, and they come with all different color AB crystals and AB pearls. So basically what I did is I put some more rhinestone glue above the butterfly charm, and I picked out a bunch of rhinestones and pearls that were in the yellow and pink family and had that AB look to them. So they looked really pretty when they're all put together. And then I also threw in some tan pearls as well. I really liked how it looked above the butterfly, so I put a little bit below the butterfly as well. Same thing, using the rhinestone glue, and look how cute that came out. So that's what I did with my middle fingernails. So that basically just leaves us with what? The pinky and the thumb. So I decided to do sort of like a rhinestone and pearl French tip situation with those nails. For the base color, I used this light peach shade from this set that I have from Beetles. It's like their 6 skin tone gel polish set, super affordable on Amazon. It's linked below. So I used that for the base of the nails. Again, 2 coats, curing each coat underneath my nail lamp. Then what I did was I went back and I got that Sugared Rose gel polish that we used earlier on the middle fingernail, the pink color, and I took some of that out and picked it up using a nail art brush, and I just did like a thick French tip on my thumb and my pinky finger. I wasn't really worried about it being like super perfect because I knew I was going to put the rhinestones and the pearls on top after. I just wanted to make sure there was enough polish there so that if there were any gaps like between the rhinestones and the pearls, that the pink polish would sort of like fill it in underneath. And by the way, I did 2 coats of this. So one coat, tried to make sure that everything looks neat enough. Then I cured that underneath my nail lamp and went in and did a second coat, which I did not show you guys. So after that was cured, I took some of the rhinestone glue and I basically sort of like rubbed it all over where I did the French tip part of the nail. Then I picked up those same rhinestones and pearls that I used earlier on the big butterfly charm nail, and I placed those on the French tip part of the nail, and they look so pretty together because they're all in that pink and yellow color family and have that AB look to them. I really like how these French tip nails came out. This is definitely something I'll be doing again in the future with like a different color combo. And again, I feel like if you're a beginner and you're looking to do some type of nail art or nail design that looks like you put out more effort than you did, girl, try this. So this is how the nails came out. Next, I'm going to put on some builder gel. This is from that same builder gel and top coat set that I have from BT Art Box. I did 1 coat of the builder gel on all of the nails. This helps to harden them, helps to strengthen them, and just like helps seal in your design and stuff like that. Now these extra thick nails from Nova Ovo, girl, they are thick, okay? And they are already strong on their own. The builder gel just sort of helps to reinforce that. And yes, I am taking the builder gel over all of my rhinestones and pearls and things like that. I know a lot of the time people don't like to do that because they say it like dulls the shine of the rhinestones, but for me, I just wanted all the gaps filled in because I did not want the rhinestones and pearls to pull on my hair or like for my hair to get caught in between or anything like that. If I got to choose between my stones being a little less shiny and like potentially breaking my hair, girl, I'm gonna go with the rhinestones being a little less shiny because I'm already on a hair journey, okay? So after I applied the coat of builder gel onto my nails, I placed them all under my nail lamp for 60 seconds and then went in and did 1 coat of top coat as well. So I'm finishing up by curing that top coat for 60 seconds under my nail lamp, and girl, look how cute my nails came out! So that is how I made this pink and gold press-on nail set for spring. I hope my video was helpful. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you. You can catch me on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, all the places, child. I'm Fly for Your Fab everywhere online. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss our next nail appointment. I'll see you next time.